Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 and Acer Nitro V, also known as Nitro V, are some of the best entry-level gaming laptops you can get. So, which one is the best gaming laptop for you in 2024? Watch this video till the end to find out. The Acer Nitro V laptop has sleek design with grey and blue stripes and a reflective Nitro logo, whereas the Lenovo logo appears on the right side of the lid and trackpad. Also, its power button is placed separately from the rest of the keys, which seems weird at first, but as you get your hands on this laptop, it's quite convenient placement. Talking about the build quality, Acer Nitro V comes in obsidian black color. It has a plastic build with matte finish. The build quality is tough and has strong hinges, large air intakes to provide ample ventilation with 2 exhaust fans that maintain optimum temperature. The Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3's cooling system is also pretty much sufficient at keeping both the GPU and CPU from overheating. Both laptops have backlit keyboards, but the Ideapad Gaming 3 series offers better typing experience than Nitro V gaming laptops. Nitro V comes with 13th generation Intel chipset, RTX 3050 GPU and dual-slot 16GB DDR5 RAM. Similarly, Ideapad Gaming 3 laptop is embedded with 11th Gen Intel i5 processor, GTX 1650 GPU and 8GB RAM, which is not as powerful as the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop. Both of these laptops have 512GB of NVMe SSD storage for high read and write speed. Both laptops also feature extra NVMe slots for future upgrades. But these specs do not matter because both the laptop series offer various hardware options as per your needs. Acer Nitro Vs have a smart feature called NitroSense. It helps the user to manually and automatically manage the laptop's cooling system. However, Ideapad Gaming 3 lacks this kind of cooling software. If this video has been helpful or entertaining, then don't forget to give it a like and click the bell icon for latest updates. Acer Nitro V has an IPS 1920x1080 Full HD screen with a 144Hz refresh rate for better gaming experience. Lenovo is also equipped with the same display specifications which provide a similar gaming and watching experience. Both laptops have 720-pixel HD webcams for normal video chats but are using your laptop for a professional meeting. Then I would suggest you an external webcam for better quality. If you wish to know more about the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop, then tap on the I button to watch a detailed review video. In terms of battery life, both the gaming laptops give the same performance. When I ran heavy games with maximum graphics settings and ignored the low power alerts, both of these gaming beasts' batteries lasted about 2 hours. However, when I used the Acer Nitro V and Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 for binge watching, the Lenovo gaming laptop lasted about 4.5 hours, whereas the Acer Nitro V outperformed it by lasting for an additional 1 hour. Acer Nitro V has one RJ45GB Ethernet, one HDMI, 3 USB-A 3.2 ports, one Thunderbolt USB Type-C and one audio jack. Lenovo Ideapad also has one RJ45GB Ethernet, one HDMI, only 2 USB-A 3.2 ports, one Thunderbolt USB Type-C and one audio jack. Also, Acer Nitro V and Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 have the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 best connectivity. Now let's compare the performance between the Acer Nitro V and the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. I tested these laptops with heavy game titles like the Call of Duty Warzone and PUBG on high and ultra graphic settings. I played some IMAX movie titles like Titanic, Avatar, Oppenheimer, Dunkirk, Dune Part 2, etc. And I noticed that Acer had a better visual appearance than Lenovo. Both gaming beasts have backlit keyboard and the trackpad is smooth. However, Lenovo gives a seamless typing experience including the trackpad. Nitro V and Ideapad Gaming 3 are equipped with dual speakers, but I think the laptop manufacturers should have added better stereo speakers. Overall, these audio systems are okay, but they could have been better. As I have mentioned earlier, this laptop's webcam quality is good for meetings and having fun with your online friends. With Nitro V, I have some issues with connecting cables or storage devices, as the ports were not smooth to slide the cords easily. However, Ideapad Gaming 3 didn't have such issues at all. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of having the Acer Nitro V and the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 as your gaming buddy? Every gaming laptop has their own pros and cons, and these gaming machines are no different. Acer Nitro V has cool aesthetics, but the plastic body is not as strong as the military-grade toughness of the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. Nitro V has a better cooling system with a dedicated temperature control software called as NitroSense, which can be used to manually control the fan speed, whereas the Ideapad Gaming 3 relies on its autonomous cooling system to maintain optimum temperature. Both laptops have similar displays, speakers, and webcams. Also, despite having backlit keyboards, Ideapad Gaming 3 has a better typing experience. Overall, both laptops offers the best user experience and the specification as per your requirements. However, in my opinion, the Acer Nitro V outweighs the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 in terms of cooling system, which is one of the key factors when deciding for your gaming laptop. Of course, you can get a better chipset and graphics card, but without a proper cooling system, any gaming laptop is insufficient for running heavy tasks. So that's all for today's video. If you liked it, then show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to Gizmo Rush, and pressing the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.